Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on iPhone devices. So as you see, I have my iPhone already. All you need to do is just go into the settings, then scroll down to the bottom, and as you will see apps, click on apps, and then it will take you to privacy and security tab. Click on an app that you would like, and then you can click manage everything that you allowed to. So background app refresh, mobile data, you can disable it, enable it, and then let's say maybe find my, and then you can see notifications, mobile data, you can see messages, you can receive, you can share with you can click off anything that you would like. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.